Good afternoon, guys. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com. Friday evening, and it is turning hot and humid as expected across central Indiana this evening. Temperatures across most reporting sites into the upper 80s and lower 90s, with dew points surging to near 70. So certainly beginning to feel oppressive out there. And that's really this kind of just setting the tone for what we can expect as we go through the weekend and on into early parts of next week. We may see an isolated thunderstorm out there this evening, but most people will stay dry. Most communities will stay dry. Same thing can be said, I think, for Saturday as well. Best chances of showers and thunderstorms appear to remain to our north across the Great Lakes region. They may scoot into northern portions of the state Saturday evening, Saturday night. We'll keep an eye out for that. The Storm Prediction Center does highlight the northern third of Indiana for a slight risk of severe weather tomorrow. Again, I think most of this activity remains well north of our area, but nonetheless, we will certainly be keeping a close eye on it. Certainly very confident in a very hot and humid weekend, low to potentially mid-90s, a good bet across central Indiana tomorrow. With a lot of sunshine, it's going to be very humid as well, with dew points around 70. If you plan to be outside for any length of time, certainly have plenty of water and take frequent breaks. Big changes are in store next week, as we've been discussing, when much more unsettled pattern develops the middle and latter parts of next week. And the GFS model came in particularly bullish on rainfall totals in that 6 to 10 day period. We'll keep an eye on that. Certainly feel that we turn much wetter and cooler next week, again, from the midweek period on. And the GFS ensembles would highlight that wet pattern developing locally as well. Some of the rainfall numbers would suggest widespread 2-inch type totals possible across central Indiana, maybe some locally or heavier amounts. And again, most of that falls from the middle part of next week into next weekend. Guys, make it a great Friday night. Stay safe out there. Stay cool. We'll talk with you soon on NDWX.com.